Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jurassic Park. Lamarr Wilson. How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video, back for another Lego experience. This is brought to you by Lego. Lego, thank you for coming back to the channel. They liked that last one, Stranger Things, and so now what we're gonna be doing is Jurassic Park, which is really cool. You know, Jurassic Park came out in the movies in 1993. That's what? 26 years. I wasn't even born. I'm lying. So this is going to come in two parts. We're going to build the gate, and then we're going to build the T-Rex, and they have some minifigures as well. All right, so this Lego set is ages 16 plus. I don't know why I'm able to do it. I'm sorry. This has 3,120 pieces. All right, so there you have a look at the gates, and there you have a look at the T-Rex. He looks menacing. And we have the minifig characters from the first movie. Look at Samuel L. Jackson. Oh my God. And there you see some of the other figures that'll be available as well. I can't wait to start this. Just in the house. What's going on, man?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, so he was here for the last build. Better builder than me by far.
I am excited to work on this project.
Yes, so
this dinosaur thing. This is what I'm calling this out. I want this.
He has taken over the video. I can't even see me anymore. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Keep that to the side.
This looks like it's part of the gate.
It probably is.
Oh yeah. The middle.
Okay. I am gonna pour these out and mess up your order. Oh my God! It's so many.
This has 13 bags.
We're gonna be here all night. This is yours. Yeah, they actually split it. Like, thank you. So this is So that is the book for the T-Rex. This is my book, even though it has the T-Rex on it. This is my book for the game. We'll get started. So how we doing? So we have, we're just getting started. It's been like, what, a few minutes?
Yeah, you can kind of see the track for the cars to ride into the park.
Yep.
That's what I got for the belly of the dinosaur.
Okay.
But look, here's the weird part.
All right.
You see this? There's this little bitty, I don't know if they can see this.
It has this little frog, and it goes where?
I'm guessing this is the belly. So we're putting the frog in the belly.
Inside the belly
of the beast.
That is some, because you'll never see it, right?
Yeah, I think that's like a little Easter egg.
A little Easter egg, yeah. So a frog is
we know.
We know.
Yeah.
We don't tell nobody though. Update time, update time. We are doing the update time. Where are we?
So this is...
Looks like a boat.
The torso. It does.
Yeah.
This is the torso.
Okay.
The little froggy's down in there. So.
I'm amazed, just like, I mean, when we see the final things gonna be crazy, but just the interlockingness, like we talked about the last time.
Yeah, every piece
the engineering
locks the next piece in. But now check this out, This is cool. I'm guessing that's the neck.
Yeah.
Or the head.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So cool.
Let me be very careful with this. So this is the base. Yeah. So where the gate will eventually be up. So I'm assuming one side will be here, one side will be there. And so it's looking good so far. I feel like my side is a lot easier than yours, which is why I chose it. Now this is the part we wanted to show. Mom.
It's not really sharp.
No, it's not. But yeah, so the arms. I actually want to see this happening.
This is the T-Rex body.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna attach one of the arms here. Let's see. Bang.
Oh,
look at the little
my
T-Rex
God, that is so cute. And it's in a ball joint, so that means they'll move around.
You see that little joint right there?
That is so crazy.
This little bitty guy right there, and then now I can.
Oh my God, that is. Can he? He can't even clap, can he? Oh, he can. Oh, that's cute. And meanwhile, over here, this is gonna be a lot. I realize because there's rooms in this gate, so it's gonna be stacking up. Yeah, so. One of the rooms, yeah, I can carefully show this without breaking it, I hope. So that's one of the rooms there we're building, and it has a bed in it. I was like, I didn't know people slept in the gate, but I guess if they're monitoring the gate, they have to sleep there, right? Unless that makes sense. Okay, so I just want to show you an update of this room. Check out these kind of details. That is a bowl of oranges. That is crazy. These kind of details, this is what Lego's all about. So go to lego.com.
Do you see this leg? You hungry?
I am. Can we put this in a pan later? Because that's amazing. Look at those toes. They look like my toes when I haven't, I really do need to clean them and something. Yeah, I know. It's been a while. I'm sorry.
Okay, check this out. So there's these little grooves here. Do you see these?
I can groove with it. I'm sorry. And that's all I have.
I think I'm going to see if I can snap this in.
Oh.
One part in.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, he ain't standing up right now.
Gotta get this other leg built.
Yeah, that is amazing. Look, guys, it's Wilson Tech 1. Remember that? Remember back in the day when I had blonde hair at the computer? No? Listen, take one. Update time. Listen. First of all, we're gonna get to you in a moment.
Okay.
This is coming along. It's going a little slow. You are just like Superman over there.
I mean, this is coming along.
This is coming
a lot
along.
of
Right
details in here.
Yeah, I didn't realize how many details were in this thing, so I was like,
crazy.
I want to see this process here because this is all interlocking, right?
Yeah, like these pieces connect. So watch this. Watch this.
Okay.
I was playing with this earlier. Bam.
Okay.
And then.
There's 4 pieces there. Okay.
Connects into the back of here. Bam. Look at this tail.
God. This is Lego. That's crazy.
That is.
Like the interlocking thing is amazing.
Yeah.
Time for the head. Like all these little intricate pieces came out to be a dinosaur head. It's amazing. So we're gonna get this finished sometime this year. That tongue looks great.
The
head, just like this is good job, man, dude.
You want help?
I won't say no to help at this point. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jurassic Park. Welcome to Jurassic Park. And then, can you imagine that just be right there, right in your door when you open it? Lego is amazing for whoever engineering, but you're amazing for putting that together.
This thing is so cool.
I love how the counterweight is this tail, like, and then you can just take them off in sections if you want to. I don't know why you would, but oh, you can't see me. Hi, I'm talking. I just wanted him to do that. And then this is again the gate.
This gate is so cool.
Yeah, it has a mechanism here at the top that you can turn, and you see all the foliage in the front. We have the fire at the top for to keep the mosquitoes away. That won't work. Will it work? It might. So over here we have all the cast and characters: Alan Grant, Ray Arnold, John Hammond, Ian Malcolm, Ellie Sattler, and Dennis Nedry. And then you look on the back here, you have a computer lab, you have someone sleeping. This gate is amazing. I could have done it without your help, seriously, because you came through at the end.
This was a blast.
This is 3,100 pieces.
How many hours did it take us?
6 hours.
We just like talked and listened to some songs and just knocked it out.
Listen, Lego, thank you again for partnering me on this video. Todd, thank you for being here. Like they I was wondering what we're doing here. Okay.
6 hours, man.
Yeah, no, this is real. And
this was fun.
Lego, have me back. We build anything. What you got coming up? You got Halloween. I build some Halloween stuff. I can build a pumpkin.
We haven't been stumped yet.
Well, they actually have a Voltron. I don't want them to send that because that will take 20 people. So don't send that. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go find this frog so I can make some soup. He's in there somewhere.
Oh, we gotta crack it open.
Can I?